Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving into a story that might seem like a simple recall, but it's actually a fascinating look at the complexities of modern car technology. Get ready for some insights and opinions on this Lexus rearview camera issue. So, Toyota, one of the biggest car manufacturers, has recalled over 144,000 Lexus SUVs due to a potential rearview camera malfunction. Now, this might not sound like a big deal at first, but when you consider the implications, it's quite interesting. The issue stems from a power-related glitch that can occur when the engine is restarted shortly after being turned off. This brief power drop can disrupt the camera system, causing it to fail to display the rearview image. And this, my friends, is where things get tricky. You see, rearview cameras are a crucial safety feature, especially when reversing. They provide drivers with a clear view of what's behind them, reducing the risk of collisions. But when this feature fails, it can lead to dangerous situations. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, has identified this as a potential crash risk, and that's a serious concern. What makes this really interesting is the root cause. It's not a simple hardware issue, it's a complex interplay between software and power management. Toyota's investigation, which began in 2025, revealed that this problem is not consistent and only occurs under specific conditions. It's like a hidden bug waiting to be triggered. The recall affects a range of Lexus models, and Toyota dealers will be fixing the issue by updating the software or replacing the camera. It's a good reminder that even the most advanced technology can have its flaws. In my opinion, this story highlights the importance of continuous improvement and rigorous testing in the automotive industry. It's a constant battle to ensure that every feature, no matter how small, is reliable and safe. So, there you have it. A seemingly simple recall turned into a fascinating insight into the world of automotive technology. It's a great example of how even the smallest details can have a big impact. I hope you found this breakdown interesting. Remember, it's always good to stay informed and keep an eye on these kinds of developments. Until next time, keep exploring and questioning.